Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the HubSpot contact career tracker to automatically check if any of your contacts have changed jobs or companies. We will take a list straight from HubSpot, run it through the process, and flag any recent career moves. So you can update your CRM, re-engage warm leads, or identify new opportunities. If you are in sales or marketing or customer success, this is a super useful workflow to stay ahead of your contact's career changes. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to create a list on HubSpot. From my side, it's already done. I created a list that I call Nathan Post Engagers. So basically, I was extracting the engagers on one of my latest LinkedIn posts, and then I was exporting those contacts into HubSpot. I think they are very relevant because they are matching my ICP. So now I would like to be able to monitor if they are changing company, if they are changing job. So as soon as they do it, I can maybe send them to an outreach sequence, or I can decide on any sales or marketing action. So now that I have my list on HubSpot, I will head back to PhantomBuster, browse the solutions, select HubSpot, and then search the right Phantom. For this use case, the Phantom to be used is track your contacts job changes. So I click on use now. As my HubSpot account is already connected, I just need to select my list and I can click save. Then I need to connect the right LinkedIn account, click save again. On the behavior, decide on the number of profiles to update per launch. In my case, there are only 54 contacts that I want to monitor, but I will leave as it is, as the number of contacts in my list might increase over time. Then I can select the right data to send to HubSpot. In this case, you can see that I'm already sending the first name, the job title, the last name, the phone number, the professional email. But I think some of them are missing, like the company name or the company industry. So to also track these variables, I need to add property and search for the right ones. Now that I'm ready, I can click save. And by default, this automation will run 4 times a day, every day. So I am making sure that anytime a contact is changing company or having a new position, I will get the information very quickly. And the contact information will be updated automatically on my CRM. So I can press save and then launch the Phantom. Okay, so my Phantom finished running for the first time, and I can see that 26 of my contacts were updated directly on my CRM. And one company was created, so it means that one contact was changing company in the meantime. So I can take a look directly on HubSpot to see what was going on. If I go on the contact to see more details, for instance this one, I will be able to see any new changes. It will be logged in directly on the contact. As you can see here, I have a PhantomBuster activity, and I can see that this contact was changing company and position. So I will think about it, but it could be the right timing to contact this person or to send him to another list. So I can either target him with a newsletter or different kind of actions on LinkedIn or with advertisements of my solution. Anyway, now you know how to monitor your contacts changes directly on HubSpot with the help of PhantomBuster. So you just need to create a list and to connect this list to PhantomBuster, and your contacts will be automatically updated as soon as there is a change. Either they are joining a new company, they are changing position. And when this change is happening, you will get the information directly on the contacts, and then you can even plan to create some automated workflows directly on HubSpot. So as soon as a contact change is spotted by PhantomBuster, you will send those contacts into a new list and perform new marketing or sales actions. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you very much for listening, and catch you in the next one.